In this video, we will talk about Larry Wheels vs Chan Shaw friendly match and Chan Shaw vs Levan sparring footage. Welcome arm wrestling fans, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. Chan Shaw arrived at Dubai a couple of days ago, and on day 1, Larry asked Chance to arm wrestle him fresh for fresh so that he can compare where he stands from North American point of view. Straight away, Larry was attacking Chance's bicep and he was feeling the power. After some time, they had their first ready go, and Larry cupped Chan Shaw very deep. Obviously, Chance wasn't going to be able to pronate out of such a deep cup, and hook, or a defensive hook in this case, is not his primary weapon of choice. So Larry Wheels pinned him easily. Chance was more serious. He even asked Adam Silver to straighten Larry's wrist, but that did not make any difference. Larry was way too fast and way too strong to set his cup again. Chance tried everything he can to take the match to his side with a lot of side pressure, but that did not work. Chan Shaw is preparing for his match on February 12th in Istanbul against Efe Komek from Turkey, and he has been training hard for it. So my guess is that this was not a competition ready peaked Chan Shaw, but he wasn't untrained either. Larry also said before the match that he hasn't felt so healthy in a very long time because he rested for a long time. What I found most impressive and felt most happy about was Larry's position in his setup before the go. I have watched almost all of Larry's ready go available on internet, of course, but I gotta say I have never seen him so aggressive during the setup. He did not give anything to chance. This was the biggest element missing in Larry's game. I am hopeful that Larry has left his defensive game for good. With that being said, if this was a legit 6-round super match, I still think Chance would beat Larry just because he will be giving less in the setup and he will go for the top roll more aggressively. Maybe not on this same day, but you know what I mean. Chance can beat Larry Wheels, that is what I believe. I watched Chan Shaw's live stream after this event where he explained what he felt from Larry. First of all, Chan Shaw said that he could have beaten Larry in a super match. He was not trying to attack with a top roll. He was just going to hold Larry with a strong position, and he couldn't. He couldn't hold Larry. So that's all we can take from this practice. And please mention your opinions in the comment section before we talk about Chan Shaw vs Levan. So before this practice pull, Chance had multiple pulls, so he was kind of gassed out. His arm was blown up. Levan also arm wrestled before this, but nobody from Dubai is going to tire Levan out, that's for sure. Levan was just holding Chan Shaw in any position he wanted, and when Chance was hitting, nothing moved. Levan kept on saying that he is tired, Chan Shaw is tired, but Chan Shaw also said that it wouldn't have mattered anyways. He explained it well. For him, Dave Chaffee, Levan, these guys are like walls. You cannot tell which wall is stronger or how strong is the wall just by pushing against it. So tell me your thoughts about both these matches or friendly practice pulls, whatever you want to call it. So subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.